Then welcome you to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually swap whatever you get in your wallet that's on Metamask into any other wallet, be it long or EX or even OSSL. So what you do is, first of all, you copy this link, which I will actually leave in the description section. Then you head on to Metamask. Okay, so once you're in, this is what you're gonna do. You click the tab which is actually the fourth from the one which is in the bottom left corner, this one here. After you click there, come on, you'll get here. So what you do is you paste that address that you copied from the description section, then you hit go. Long swap, okay, then you click go, and boom, this window will actually be opened. So now I want you to listen and listen good. What you need to do is you've seen where there is a OEX there. Yeah, there's a downward pointing arrow. Click it and you will see now all these options. You'll see all these options. So you now choose to where you want to transfer whatever you want to transfer. Okay, so you can click open staking share long. We can actually click there, and then after we do that, we're gonna punch in the amount that we want to transfer. Is it $2? Let's go by $2. Okay, now take a look at that. We have 2, so we are going to receive all that. Insufficient USDT balance. Okay, what are we gonna do? We say 0.01. Okay, 0.01. It has brought that. We can now hit swap, and then we confirm. Okay, so we can now confirm here. So confirm. And then we can also click there which says add OSSL to wallet. Then we click add token, and boom, that has been done successfully. Let's close this. We can also click on the other one. So transaction has been completed. Okay, we can also I'm offline, somebody's trying to ring me here. Okay, let's swap some more. So we're gonna click the same arrow, downward pointing arrow, and then let's check around. There is 0.01 there. Then which other one I'd seen to here? Okay, beautiful. So we can just add some more to the same. Click it. Let's click it. Let's check long test token, this one here. Let's click it. And then we punch in the USDT that we want to transfer in there. 0.0 let's say 0.012. Okay, awesome. So we can swap that. Click swap, then confirm. Come on, everything is loading here. Loading. So we click confirm. And boom, transaction submitted. Okay, we can also add long to wallet. Then we say add token, and that has been completed. We can now close that. Or we can view it on main. So friends, that's how we swap USDT, you know what I'm saying?